In this video, we're going to do a little preventative maintenance on the battery to try to get a little extra life out of it with household cleaners that you can do from home. You don't want your battery looking like this because it literally is taking extra voltage to work. And if you stick around to the end of this video, we'll give you a little bonus information. So you can use some household products to make a battery cleaner that works very well. Some baking soda, doesn't have to be this brand. An empty glass to put it in, and some water along with an old toothbrush. So you just want to coat the top of the battery slightly with this, and you'll see it start working right away. Just taking away the battery acid and neutralizes the acid. Do the whole battery. The important ones get a little heavier because these are the important parts of the battery. Give that a few minutes to break the acid down. When it looks like the bubbles are subsiding a bit, like they are on this side of the battery, you can just give it a little scrub. This will clean your battery up and make it look pretty good when you're all done. I think as soon as you see most of the bubbles subside, it's ready to be rinsed off. I think we're in pretty good shape there. Now you just rinse it off. Literally fresh water, you can see just by that terminal the difference. Alright, so it looks pretty clean to me. It's a really easy thing to do at home. A little preventative maintenance on your battery to save you some money. It'll extend the life of the battery by keeping the top of the battery clean. Well, this is a bonus feature we talked about. If you take a flat screwdriver and you loosen these caps up, it's a really good idea to look down in your battery and see if the water, battery acid, is covering the lead plates. If they're low in any way, you can take distilled water and fill those back up to above the plate. Those ones are in good shape. They are all full, which is a good thing. Well, because of the water, so two dissimilar metals in the battery with one like fluid is what creates a battery. So without the liquid in the battery, you just have a plastic container full of metal.